Hello YouTubers, today's video we'll be doing an unboxing of the Bluetti Portable Power Station EB3A. Comes shipped just in box, pretty much like this. It seems to be pretty well packed. Pull around the box. Now the reason I went with this power station is that after shopping around, I found that over a period of time the prices have dropped considerably. Typically the average, even on a Bluetti, your price would be about $1 a watt. So at 600 watts, or most available at the one time was 500 watts, and you're looking at about $500 on all other brands, including the Bluettis. This one, they've come out with, and the prices come down so low, I paid $209 after all the discounts, and that's just the same thing that anybody else will get, not because I'm a creator for YouTube. Pull this out. Pretty well packed. Got a good heavy duty box. You've got your owner's manual. And it looks like a warranty card there. Don't have to tell you how to do anything on that. Half of it's in other languages, so it's just very basic instructions. Tells you what everything is for. It's very lightweight. I really like this, and I had seriously thought about other Bluettis, and of course everybody says, well, you can go bigger, you get more power out of them. I don't need that much power. Packed inside the box, you'll find your Bluetti EB3A portable power station. You have your electrical cord to plug it into a 110 outlet. You have your owner user manual, and you also have your warranty card. This, by the way, the electrical cord, you'll find that underneath the bottom of the Bluetti. So you'll take the Bluetti out, and then there'll be another piece of cardboard or foam. You lift that up, and you'll find your cord. Now on the face of the unit, you have your cigarette lighter port. You have your DC 5521 ports. You have your DC button. You also have your DC import port. And you also have the AC port. Again, it's got a nice dust cover over it, so it keeps it nice and clean. The circuit breaker, and then you go on over to your wireless charging pad on the top, the screen, you have an LCD lamp, and the lamp button. The USB-C port is right here underneath the screen, and you also have your your USB-A ports. Your outputs, you have two of those for two AC outputs, and they have the AC button. Now, as I said, your AC charging cable is included. If you also want to have the car charging cable, the solar cable, and the USB-C to USB-C cable, those you have to order separately. If you're interested in ordering any or all of the accessory cables for the Bluetti, I will put the links in the comment section along with the link for the Bluetti EB3A. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this Bluetti power station. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching.